everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Video we are going to start from activity 6.6. So here it is given that to be demonstrated by the teacher, and here's a question given that is it is dangerous to look for long at the burning magnesium ribbon. The teachers should advise children not to stare at the burning ribbon. So it's a precaution that we don't have to stare at the burning ribbon. So let's start reading first. Get a small piece of a thin strip or ribbon of magnesium. Clean its tip with sandpaper. Bring the tip near a candle flame. It burns with a brilliant white. So here they are telling that we have to take a small piece of thin strip of ribbon of magnesium. Then we have to clean it with a sandpaper, and then we have to bring the tip near the candle flame. So it will burn with a brilliant white light that is shown in figure 6.3. When it is completely burned, it leaves behind a powdery ash. Does the ash look like the magnesium ribbon? The change can be represented by the following equation. Magnesium Mg plus oxygen O2 gives magnesium oxide MgO. So uh, when it will completely burn, then it will leave behind some ash that is powdery, and then does the ash look like magnesium ribbon? We have to see that. Then the change can be represented by the following equation, so you can learn this equation. Then we have first of all, let's read the blue box that is given just below this paragraph, or the equations here are different from those in mathematics. In equations of this kind, the arrow implies becomes no attempts should be made to balance chemical equation at this stage. So here they are telling that the arrow is that is shown here, it is telling becomes. So now we have collect the ash and mix it with a small amount of water. Stir the mixture, that is aqueous solution, well. Test the mixture with the blue and red litmus papers. Do you remember the blue and red litmus papers? So just to recollect the things that we have discussed in the previous videos. What is litmus paper? Then we have, does the mixture turn red litmus blue? Does the mixture turn blue litmus red? On the basis of this test, how do you classify the aqueous solution, acidic or basic? On dissolving the ash in water, it forms a new substance. This change can be written in the form of the following equation. Magnesium oxide MgO plus water H2O will give magnesium hydroxide MgOH whole twice. Then we have, as you have already learned in chapter 5, magnesium hydroxide is a base. So magnesium oxide is a new substance formed on burning of magnesium. And then what we're gonna do is we have to see that does the mixture turn red litmus blue or it turn blue litmus red. Then on the basis of this test, we have to classify the solution, that is aqueous solution, that it is basic or acidic. And on dissolving the ash that we have produced by the uh, ribbon magnesium ribbon, then uh, we have to dissolve the ash in water. It forms a new substance. Then this change can be written in the form of the following equation. So here is another equation for this activity. So you have to learn both the equations and all the system that we have applied in the full activity. Then we have already learned in chapter 5 that magnesium hydroxide is a base. Magnesium oxide is a new substance formed when burning of magnesium. So we will continue the this same activity in the next video. So for this video, that's enough.